Hi everybody, welcome to another episode of Fixing Things with Evan. Why don't we take a look at what's happening today? Okay, so I took this apart on my truck because this portion ripped off. So what I've been doing is this little knob right here connects to here and it goes right here like so. This is the knob to turn on and off my truck lights, and it fell through, and I've been trying to use some pliers to turn it on and off. That wasn't working, so we're gonna fix this. Okay, so I don't have time to wait around for a replacement dash because I'm dying. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drill these holes out right here. See if I can do it without removing that other thing. Okay, one. Here's the other one. Okay, got these two holes out. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to find a screw a little longer than this and a nut. I'm going to put them together right there. Here's the fun part. I get to look through this thing to see if I can find the two ones I need. So just going to dump some out and get to it. Look, it's like Christmas. You ever play Legos? If you've played Legos, then you know exactly what I'm doing. I'm looking for this brick. Ooh, look at. Someone thought these screws were really important. I'm gonna just use. Oh wait, what the heck? How did that happen? Okay, we're probably just gonna use these two because the heads look similar. Ah, they're not perfect though. Wow. What am I gonna do? Hold on. Is that better? That's better. All right. These are the winners right here. Oh, wait. I need one more of these. Okay. Oh. Come on. Yes. Yes. Okay. What are you going to do now, Evan? I'll show you. Take this pen. Figure out the length. That should work, right? That should work, right? So, I'm going to measure this to be the same length. And then I'm going to mark it with this Sharpie. Okay. So I put these in this dustpan because I can easily sweep things into it and then just go like this. Oh God. This came from my grandpa. He passed away. We found this in his shed. Taster's Choice 100% freeze-dried coffee, decaffeinated. Nice, Grandpa. That's a nice jar. Beautiful. Wow, there's a fly. Now, what I've got to do is take these old screws off. I can't do it with like that. Can you see this? Wah! Oh God! Oh God! Okay, here you go. Hold it here. Unscrew here. Evan, how come you're not really editing these videos very well? Well, I'm just trying to get them done. I keep getting lazy about building videos for you guys. And if I just stop giving such a crap about how perfect they are, then maybe I'll actually do it. Okay, so here's the easy part. Here's that screw we cut. You can see that. Looks pretty good, but I left this on here so I can just unscrew this. Fly, go away, fly. Wow, it's huge. Okay, when it unscrews, it'll line the threads up perfectly so that I don't accidentally strip it to where I can't put it back on. See? All right, now I really need a locking washer. I'm not gonna make you watch that, but I'm gonna go find one. Okay, so I went back looking, and here's what I found. I found these matching ones, these ones that were off, but if I couldn't find a second one of these, I was gonna use one of these. I was actually looking for a second one of these. If you notice, all those little sharp things help keep it locked on, but I only found one of them, and I think I want to go with my OCD and have them match instead of do one of these and one of these. These are locking washers. I don't know what this is called, but I feel like if it's gonna break, let them break together, you know. So those are the winners. What would you have chosen? Please put it in the comment below. Also, look at this cool screw I found. Whoa, what was that used for? Pretty cool. Okay, here we go. Super simple. Take the screw, put it through the hole. It doesn't fit. Shit. That means I need a bigger drill bit. Take the drill, get a bigger bit, drop it on the floor. Drop my drill bit. Drill the hole bigger. Like you ain't a sinner. Okay. How's that look? They feel okay. There's a little burr. We'll scratch it off. Boom. Okay. Now you set it up. Move that out the way. Where did my screw go? Which one looks better? This one. This one goes on top. It won't fit. Get it again. Get your drill. Get a bigger bit. This is annoying. Put that bit in. Get a hole a little bigger. You ready now? Yes, and there's no burrs. Okay. Can you see that? Yes. Oh god. Doesn't really fit. That's okay. What the heck? This is crazy. Switch to a bigger bit. Yet again. Normally I like to cuss, but I have a feeling that kids are gonna watch this show. Don't want to have to censor myself. But Evan, that's not the same size chisel. And you're right, I wish I had used a smaller one. Now I'm getting something called apprehension. I'm feeling apprehensive. Why do you feel apprehensive, Evan? I want this to be done already. Okay. Now, it's not beautiful, but it's gonna work. Now, I can take this, and I can place it back where it was, like so. I know why that didn't work. The threads in here are way smaller. Smaller than these new screws. So I just needed to drill it out. Oh. Let me bash my head against the wall for a little bit till I figure this out. Okay. Now let's try it. I have a feeling that we've got a winner, people. Let's try again. You definitely need like a third hand. If only I could have 3 hands. Oh, what a joy that would be. It's working. Yep. Woohoo! You know, I almost didn't go through with this part. I was just gonna let these little plastic things die. But there's no better washer than the one that already exists. I know it's not called a washer. I'm just happy it fits. Not bad. Okay, I'm gonna do the other one off camera. I broke this one, but I found this piece of rubber, and I'm gonna use that. Boom, perfect. All right, here we go. Gonna tighten this guy up just a little more. Ah! Okay, what I'm doing is I'm using these pliers to tighten that nut. I also am using that locking nut that I had found that I only had one of. You know, we always try to do our best and make it perfect, but that's not how life is, apparently. And that's one of the nice things about doing stuff like this, is that you remember that it's not going to be perfect and you can't expect it to be either. So, humbleness, tranquility, and peace. This one's a little tight. Let's loosen it up. Okay, let's screw the other one down. For this one, pretty sure this will fit. Nope. Let's try this one. Nope. So we're going with the pliers. "10 years later. Aha! Figured it out. Hold it with the pliers. Turn the screw. How much more must we tighten it? Quite a bit, it seems. How's that look? Better? Perfect. Perfect. You guys have no idea how much a pain that has been. I was using pliers to like click clack. Ugh, it's terrible. One evening of driving like that, and I was like, nope, got it back. Woo.